Disclaimer. The videos are purely for educational purposes. The intention is to guide the students to fare well in their term examinations of their professional courses. I will not be contacting any of the subscribers or followers with messages regarding private tutoring or any money transactions. If anybody does message you, please report them and block them immediately. Professor K.M channel will not be responsible for the actions by the imposters with the same name.
Welcome to my channel. I am Professor K.M. Mahadevappa, faculty for Master Degree in Public Administration in Indira Gandhi National Open University for the last 30 years. As part of the curriculum in Master Degree in Public Administration, students, if they so desire, may also opt for conducting a dissertation or a project work on any of the subjects that are important for Master Degree in Public Administration. Therefore, it was felt necessary that the students who are interested in doing project work should be able to understand the procedure to be followed for submitting the dissertation proposal as well as the final dissertation work or project work to the university for final evaluation of both the proposal and the project. We all know that the following subjects are available in MPA curriculum, namely MPA 11 State, Society and Public Administration, MPA 12 Administrative Theory, MPA 13 Public Systems Management, MPA 14 Human Resource Management, and second year Public Policy and Analysis, Decentralization and Local Governance, Electronic Governance, Disaster Management, Research Methodologies and Methods, it is also optional. MPS 003 India Democracy and Development, optional. MPAP 002 Project Work, optional. And that is how today we are discussing on MPAP 00T to Project Work, optional. It is a brief note on this is the aim of this course is to provide to the MPA students with a basic methodology for undertaking research in public administration. Learners get an opportunity to write a 10,000 to 15,000 words dissertation, 60 pages in Time New Roman double-spaced 12-point font, excluding bibliography on any topic within the field of MPA program studied. The broad list of topics of dissertation shall be sent to the learners along with the MA second year course material. So the student should have already got the topics of dissertation in the second year study materials. The dissertation should be an independent examination of an issue in which the candidate already has an interest. It need not be an account of original research and may rely on secondary sources, but it should be the product of work done independently and unaided by the candidate. Candidates are, however, free to use original material such as unpublished documents, newspapers, files are personal interviews, and the topic and the research proposal have to be approved by the university faculty. It is to be approved by the Delhi Department of Social Sciences. A handbook containing detailed advice on preparation of the proposal and other aspects of the dissertation writing will be sent to you. Approval for the topic should be sought within 3 to 4 months' time from registration for the second year. An evaluation committee set up by the Faculty of Public Administration evaluates all dissertations at the headquarters, and there is no oral examination. Means there will be no viva voce examination. Each student who undertakes dissertation project is required to submit to the program coordinator a short research plan or dissertation proposal of approximately 2,000 words, which may perhaps come to around 8 pages in Time New Roman double space 12-point font within 5 months from the date of registration for MPA P002. The dissertation proposal and the final dissertation will be assessed independently. If a student is taking an academic supervisor, he should send a brief biodata of academic supervisor along with the dissertation proposal to the program coordinator at New Delhi for approval. The dissertation proposal must include the following: a working title of the proposed project, a clear statement of the research problem to be examined, a very brief review of relevant literature to demonstrate the unique methodological and or the contribution of the proposed research to the discipline, an outline of the plan of research and methods to be used, an outline of chapter headings for the dissertation, and a preliminary bibliography of words relevant to the proposed research work. The dissertation proposal must be typed and submitted to program coordinator, room number 106, bar room 142F block, Faculty of Public Administration, School of Social Sciences, Indira Gandhi National Open University, Maidan Ghari, New Delhi, 110068. The other information will be given to you in my next video. All the best. Thank you.